Alright, 2022 Ford Explorer. Front wheel bearing assembly. I'll remove this. One here, one here. Alright. Let's see. Where are those? 17? 18. Goody goody. This one. 18 for the bracket bolts. Put this to the side. Nice. Rotor come off. There you go. I'd like to remove the plate. What is that? 10 millimeter? 3 bolts, 10 millimeter. Pull this more to the side. Kind of heavy, this plate. 3 bolts. There you go. Let me put it to the side. It's me, so I'm gonna spray some PB Blast, WD-40, whatever you want to call it. Let's see if I need to remove the speed sensor. No. So we're Gucci. Don't be stingy with the PB Blast. Pretty much. Here in the back. Alright, so with this nut, it's gonna be 30 millimeters, I think. 32, my bad. And 18 for this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. Stubby, Milwaukee, 1/2 inch. Did it again. Ooh. I'll need to remove the speed sensor though. FYI. You bring the power, right? Let's see right there. There you go, boy. Right lot tight. Yeah, I'm gonna spin this the other way. It's way easier if you do it with the tie on. Now you expose this side. Get it. Goody, goody. Goody, goody. Now the last one. We're gonna need a bigger extension. Because that guy is right there. Huh. I knew it. I want to make my life easier. I put a 6-inch extension, half. Then a short 18mm socket, half. I wish I could use a gun, but it doesn't fit here. So I'm just gonna do it manually. It's a good angle too. Can't complain. There you go. So we're Gucci. It's coming out. Whew. I'll be back. Alright, I'm using the 18 because half inch because look at what it's doing. It's doing right here. See it right? I'm glad I noticed it. Otherwise I would break this clamp. But I wanna get a 3/8 18 then with a 3/8 extension. It's almost outside anyways. It's almost out. Alright, so I got a 3-inch, 3.5, no 3/8 extension, 3 inches, 3/8 extension with a shallow 18 low profile. It's always good to have these guys, and these are impact too. I think this is made by Astros. You can get it from Amazon. I'm gonna put it in the description box where you can get it. Okay. But yeah, with this one, I have a lot of, not a lot, but more room. You know what I'm saying? Summer is coming though. There you go. See it? Audi. It's gonna hit this guy, but we don't need to remove it all the way though. Oh, there you go. Gucci. This one, it would be like any other wheel bearing assembly. Hit it with the hammer all the way around. Yep. Hey. Yeah. Almost there. Ah. Shh. Shh. There you go. Gucci. Right. We have to clean all that. All right. Right. Die grinder with the brush. I'm gonna brush this guy like so. Feel me? You get the idea. Watch out with the speed sensor though. Cleaning everything over here. There you go. Yeah, don't worry about that. Everything's Gucci. That's it. Get the new one now. Yeah, this is how the new one looked like. Always compare the new one with the old one. And there's only one way it can go in, okay? So, like you see how this is different shape than this one? This is wide open. This is narrow. Same here. So the narrow, the wider, is gonna go at the bottom. Put some grease here though, first, alright? Like so. Everything Gucci. I was gonna go in. There you go. I'm gonna brush wire the studs because it has some loctite left. Alright, so I clean it now. It's gonna go in. Spin it. I gotta line it. You know how it goes. Uh, It's gonna be 90 Newton meter. In foot-pounds, it's like 66 foot-pounds. Once you do 66 foot-pounds, do another 45 degrees. Okay. There. 45. That's good. Pretty much. Alright, so the axle nut. The axle nut is gonna be 133 Newton meter, but that's 98 foot-pounds. I'm gonna play back. Like I said, axle nut is 133 Newton meter. That's 98 foot-pounds. Okay. But for that, I'm gonna use the caliper and the rotor. You'll see. I'm gonna put the rotor back. Go. One at the bottom. Maybe you cannot see this. Alright, so I'm gonna stuck the rotor so it doesn't spin. Let me move this back so I have a better angle. Grab the torque ratchet. There you go. There you go. That's it. Yep, pretty much. Alright guys, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. This was a 2022 Ford Explorer with 24,000 miles. I just did the passenger side, front, wheel, hub, bearing assembly. It will be the same for both sides. Okay, so pretty much. Like I said, if you have any questions, just put in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and anything else, let me know. Put in the comment box. I'm on a little right here. Thank you for watching. It's me, Stu Kaboom. I like your boy. Audi. Shout outs to everybody. Love you. Pause. No, did